Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marc McComas, and this is my channel where I just kind of show you all things Star Wars, all things my life, lots of various different things. And today I want to do an unboxing with you of a hat that I found. You might be thinking, wow, this is kind of weird that you're going to do an unboxing video of a hat, but this brand is really unique and really special. They by no means have any idea that they don't know that I'm doing this. It's not a sponsor, I'm not affiliated with them, I don't get a kickback. I just want to share things in the community that I think is cool. So whoever's going to watch this video, you may benefit from this, and who knows, you might end up buying a hat from them as well, because they stood out to me. Their brand's really cool. So let me take a look here and show you guys. This brand is called Findlay. Pretty cool. They're based out of Portland, Oregon, which is where I'm born, so I definitely already have an affinity to them, which I liked. I just want to kind of show you, I've actually have not opened this at all. Some cool personalization there. So let's take a look here. Let me grab my knife and let's unbox this little hat here. So if you can guess, it's a Star Wars hat. Gosh, that was a terrible unboxing. Let me just slice this guy open. So I wear a lot of hats. I like hats. I am always finding new hats. I have a lot of sports hats. I have a lot of Star Wars hats. I have a lot of dad hats. I have all sorts of hats here. So I wanted to wait to open this with you guys because I thought it'd be fun. So let's see what's in here. I've got a little thing about our order. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely have a nice touch and feel to it. Oh, they sent a little goodie bag of bubble gum. Looks like a sticker. Let's rip this open. So I got bubble gum, a sticker, and then 2 business cards. Not just any bubble gum, it's double bubble gum, which is pretty cool. So we got some double bubble. Got that sticker. Findlay. I really hope I'm saying their name correct. Findlay, if you're watching this, jump in the comments. Tell me what I'm doing wrong here. But I was pretty drawn to them because they had some really cool Star Wars hats that I was getting some ads to. But then the laces and then the hidden pocket, lifetime warranty, some really, really cool options here. So let me kind of pull it open here. Oh yeah, look at that hat. So clean, so fresh. Let me pull it out of the box here. Just drop that there. So got those 4 lightsabers on there. Got that rope there. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna first, let's just look at the hat and then I'll show you what's really cool about this hat. Get that out of the way there. So just a nice clean black hat here with that stitching there of those 4 lightsabers. We got a yellow one, a black one, a green one, and a purple one. That definitely looks like Rey's lightsaber, and that definitely looks like Darth Maul's, kind of. Pull that camera up closer. And then I'm assuming the purple's Mace Windu. The green one I can't really place. I mean, I'm assuming it's probably Luke's, but that doesn't look like Luke's hilt. So it's got this rope on here, which at first I thought was just a really cool, like, stylistic thing. You see here, it's got their logo on it, which is cool. I thought, oh, cool, a hat with rope on it. That's awesome. Like, how unique is that? But let me see if I can actually do this here. I may not even know how to do this. Let's take a look here. Aha, so you just pull it out like this, okay. So check this out. Let's see. You've got this like shoelace string here. What makes this really cool is you pull it out here, you pull this down, and now you've got a chin strap for this hat. So I'll show you on this full screen here. You've got a chin strap for it, which, like, could seem really dumb, but I go to the lake a lot. I go to the lake. I used to go paddleboarding with my wife. It can get windy if you're riding a bike, right? Doing outdoor activities, and like you can finally wear your favorite cap, your favorite hat, your favorite flat bill dad hat, and not be worried about losing it. Like, of course, you know, this might seem cheesy, but man, you know how many times I've been nervous about losing my hat. So great for hiking, great for adventures, great for just like whatever purpose, you just don't want to lose your hat. So pretty cool. I think this is cool. Like, obviously I'm not going to wear it like this to a coffee shop or anything like this, but like pretty cool that it's functional. And then the other bonus to this here is like, look at that. Inside the hat is a pocket. You can fit, I mean, there's space there. Let's put these business cards in there. It's okay, it's not quite business card size, but you can fit your ID in there. You could fit probably a car key, single car key. Definitely put that there. Who knows? Who knows what else you could put in there? But pretty cool. Pretty cool hat. I love it. They have so many unique designs, and they have a lot of custom print designs. So I messed up my hair there. They have a lot of custom print designs. They had some bounty hunter ones that were already sold out, which I was really bummed about. But I just got there a little too late. I think they released them for May the 4th, and I just got there a little too late. But really cool. Now, I have no idea how to put this back, but you can easily just kind of put it back how you want, and then you just stick that little lace right back in through that eyelet. And you can even pull it through on this side, which is kind of nice. So these guys know what they're doing. I'm gonna have to like look up and see. Maybe there's a photo reference here. Yeah, there's definitely some photo references here on how to like tie it. Looks like you go underneath here. And maybe go back through around. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up, but check these guys out. Findlay hats, really, really cool. They got some really cool Star Wars stuff. They got some really cool, just overall unique designs. They had some other ones that I want to say Ghostbusters on there. I could be wrong, but yeah, I love these guys. I love the functional hat. I'm so stoked to wear this all summer long because, yeah, like I said, I go to the lakes a lot and stuff like that. So, anyways, really cool hat. Awesome. Let me put this on with the rope there. Yeah, definitely getting this styled a little, like fixing the rope a little bit more to make it look nice, but this is a nice hat. It feels nice. It feels high quality. I like it. So there you have it. Now you just watch me unbox a hat, and maybe this is your only unboxing hat video you've ever seen. So I appreciate you sticking through towards the end. And yeah, let me know what else you want to see me unbox. I definitely have quite a few things to do, and excited just to kind of have people watching what I do in my normal day life. So appreciate it. Thank you guys.